we'll guide you through how to enable ChatGPT developer mode. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the OpenAI website. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. You need to be signed in to access the developer settings. Then, head over to the dashboard by clicking on the dashboard link located at the top of the page. In the dashboard, look for the API section on the left-hand side menu and click on it. This will take you to the API settings page. Here, you should see an option labeled Developer Mode or Enable Developer Features, depending on the current interface. Click on this option to access the settings. Now, you may need to read through some terms and conditions or additional usage guidelines. Make sure you understand them before proceeding. Once you're ready, toggle the switch or checkbox next to Enable Developer Mode to turn it on. This will activate additional features that are designed for developers, allowing you to test and implement more advanced functionalities. If prompted, confirm your choice to ensure that developer mode is activated. This may involve verifying your account details or providing an additional authentication step. Once enabled, you should see a confirmation message or indicator showing that developer mode is now active. You can now explore the new tools and options available to you under this mode. Take some time to familiarize yourself with these features, as they can greatly enhance your development process with ChatGPT. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.